Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasrin. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to add uh, two graphs into one graph. So you can see I have a few observations that I have just got from my sensors. So I want to make a graph between time and the carbon dioxide concentration. For that purpose, I will first select the carbon dioxide concentration of one device, as in the time will be X and the concentration will be Y. I'll go to insert and I will, now there are different features. You can either make a graph of scattered one or you can go for the line one. So if you go for the line one like this, you can click over here. You can get a graph like this and you can easily change the interval between these graphs also. This, however, you cannot change when you have a scattered graph, because in that graph, I'll show you, scattered graph is like this one. So it's fixed. So therefore, the line graph, if you make by clicking over this one, now this is your first graph. Now there are two methods of making, inserting two graphs into one graph. Either you make two different graphs and copy into one graph. For example, I'll show you. This is the first graph. Now I will select this time interval till here, and I will press Control on my keyboard and I will select this whole values. I will go up, I'll go to Insert and I will go to Line. I'll create another graph of the line graph. So as you can see, there are two graphs over here. What I can do now is I can click on this one, hit copy and paste it over here. So you can see the two data sets of graphs have been created. Now, this is the first method, and it's a very easy method that you can use in order to merge two graphs into one. Now, you can also add access by clicking over here. You can also add data labels, or you can go for the legend. You can have for the differentiation among these graphs. Now, in order to change the names of these legends, you can go in the filter, and you can easily change the name of the legends from here. For example, if I click over here, I can give a name as 1 meter, or I can give it 2 meters. So if I click OK, see the name changes. So this is how you can merge two graphs into one graph in Excel, and also you can change the legends. The second method of making is you select these values, the first values over here. Select all these values, you go up, press Insert, add a graph. Now here you can do one thing is legends. You have to create a one graph and then you have to right click on it, select uh, data and select on add data. Now series, this will be your series 2. Change the name as series 2 and you select, go here, you select over here and select all the values, press enter, press OK. Press OK. Now you can see the two values have been inserted. So the second method is kind of a time consuming. What I recommend is you make different graphs and then copy and paste it. So this was the simple tutorial of how to merge two graphs into one graph in Excel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.